Hey, welcome to Coastal Cooking Presents Quick Bites. I'm your host, John Scanlon, and I'm here with a very special guest. We have Spencer Gibson. He's one of our field service leaders for Pensacola Energy. Spencer, thanks for coming on the show today.
Yeah, man, I appreciate it.
Absolutely. We appreciate everything you do for Pensacola Energy, installing the gas lines, just working hard out there for our community. But it's really cool to have you in here to share this recipe of yours, is Cajun Crawfish Pasta. For those at home, you can make this at your house. It takes about an hour, not a whole lot of ingredients. We have just a few things. We have some parsley. We have some Conecuh sausage, which is such a staple here in the South. We have yellow onions. We have a big bowl of crawfish tails. We have red peppers. We have green peppers. Some heavy whipping cream. We have pasta, some chicken broth, garlic, and some other seasonings. And that's about it. Just with these ingredients, we're going to toss it together, and we're going to show you how to make it at home. So stick around and find out how it's done. All right, our first step in the Cajun crawfish pasta is we're going to take our pound of Conecuh sausage. It's already cut up into bite-sized pieces. We got a little oil in the pan. We're going to heat this oil up. We're going to toss this sausage in there and get it all browned and nice and tasty. All right, it looks like our Conecuh sausage is brown on all sides. So we're going to add the next ingredients. We're going to add some garlic. And then we're going to add our green bell pepper and red bell pepper. All right, we've been cooking down the green peppers and red peppers for about 15 minutes, just over low heat. The garlic has added a great smell with that Conecuh sausage. And now we're going to add the yellow onion. All right, the onion's cooked down and we're about to add the next two ingredients. We got 32 ounces of chicken broth and we're going to be adding a pound of pasta. All right, so the chicken broth has been simmering for about 15 minutes with those noodles in there along with the other ingredients. So now it's time to add the heavy whipping cream. All right, we added the 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Now it's time to add our spices. We're going to be adding black pepper, Cajun seasoning, and garlic powder. All right, just like cooking at home, we almost forgot that special ingredient that kicks us over to the next level. We're going to add about a half a cup of Parmesan cheese. It's going to help thicken it up a little and just give it that little extra taste that this Cajun crawfish pasta is known for around Spencer. So we're going to add that Parmesan cheese, and we're going to add that crawfish, and we're going to get ready to eat. All right, so we cooked the crawfish maybe a minute or two. We don't want to overcook it, so it doesn't take very long. But we're all ready now to try Spencer's crawfish Cajun pasta. All right, now the moment of truth. We're going to try out Spencer's Cajun crawfish pasta. That's really, really good. Really good. So you can make this at home. There's not a whole lot of ingredients. Doesn't take a whole lot of time. Definitely worth it. I'm going to be sharing this with my family and let them think I can cook a lot better than I can. Thank you, Spencer. Thank you for being on the show. It's been a pleasure. And if you enjoyed this episode, make sure you like and subscribe to this page. You'll find a lot of other great recipes from chefs along the Gulf Coast here in Pensacola. And also, we're going to start letting people know some of the features for this year's Fiesta Seafood Grill at the Pensacola Seafood Festival, happening in September 24th, 25th, and 26th. So again, Spencer, thank you for being on the show. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yes, sir.
This is awesome. Really, try this at home. Super easy, 100% worth it. Until next time, we'll see you.